Alex Kennedy here with REV Car Wash. This week, we're going to focus on the rims and make sure that we're using our rim wax. Let's get started. Apply the rim wax to the microfiber towel and apply across the entire rim evenly. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Let the rim wax set for a few minutes and then buff off any residual wax on the rims with the other side of the towel.
Thank you for joining us this week on Tips and Tricks. I'm Alex Kennedy. Make sure to follow REV Car Wash on all social media platforms. #REV Your Ride, and we'll see you next week.